Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this P&G preview for October of 2018. These coupons will last us through October. There are some pretty good coupons in here, and I'll always be sure to point out if there's any specific deals I see we can get with these coupons, I'll point them out. If you haven't already, go check out the Retail Me Not preview for this week. It is here, it's available, and we're also getting a smart source. I'll come back on Friday and talk about that. And thank you to clipthesave.com for posting this preview. So, let's just dive right in. $3 off of any 3 Gain dish, Febreze with Gain, Swiffer refills with Gain, or Mr. Clean with Gain. It has to have pretty much these things. As long as they have Gain in it, you're good to go. And I don't know of any specific deals for that one. $1 on Bounty. Now, I know Rite Aid here, you can't see it. I'm trying to, there we go. They're doing this $6.94. $1 off coupon makes it $5.94. Or they're running a promo where if you spend $15, you get back 40, or no, I'm sorry. If you spend 40, you get back 15 in bonus cash. So pretty much how I figured the math. Divide 15 by 40 and it gives you 37.5%. That's how much off you're going to get. So basically it's really confusing, but what you need to do is take 100% minus 37.5%, and it gives you 62.5%. So that knocks it down to 433 after you take for account the bonus cash. And use your dollar coupon, so it'd be $3.33 at Rite Aid for the Bounty and Charmin, which is not bad. Let's see about CVS. CVS has these big ones included in their deal. They're $9.99 and they're on a promo. If you spend 30, you get back 10. So I actually think it's a better deal over at Rite Aid, but either way. At CVS, spend 30, get back 10. I don't know about Walgreens, and my opinion, who cares about Walgreens after this drama they've pulled with the 5,000 points, but whatever. They're going to be 99 cents at CVS next week. 25 cents on Charmin flushable wipes. 50 cents on Pampers or Loves. That could be a good deal. Not that I know of. $5 on 1 box or 2 bags of Pampers Pure Diapers. I've never seen those anywhere, honestly. $1 on Crest. I know Rite Aid has that on that spend 40, get back 15. I don't think it's a very good price, but I don't like to pay for toothpaste. Buy one Febreze plug scented oil refill and get one Febreze plug scented oil refill free. So that's really good. We've been getting those plugs for free, and now you can use this BOGO coupon on the refills. So awesome. Crest white strips, $1 on Crest mouthwash. What you can do is I would recommend going to iHeartRiteAid.com and iHeartCVS.com and even Walgreens if you still like them. Look through their ads and see what kind of stuff that you personally would want, because I might not think it's a good deal, but if it's something that you always use, it might really be. So $1 on Oral-B adult manual toothbrush, $2 on Always Discreet, $1 on Olay, $1 on Old Spice Secret or Gillette Invisible Spray Deodorant. I saw those on clearance, the Gillette one, for like $2 at Walmart. $1 on Secret Fresh or Active. $1 on Gillette deodorant. $1 on one Gillette 3 or Gillette 5 razor. $2 off of a Gillette razor. $3 on a Gillette disposable razor. $2 on one Gillette razor. $3 on any 2 Head and Shoulders. $2 on Olay Eyes or the Whips or Regenerist or any of those things. $1 on Olay Facial Cleanser. $2 on Olay Foaming Whip Body Wash. $1 on Old Spice Body Wash. $1 on Old Spice Styling Product. $3 on any 2 Old Spice Red Collection, Fresh Collection, or Hardest Working Collection. I think those are on the mega event at Kroger for $2.49. So you could look at getting them for 99 cents. I'm pretty sure that's how much they are. Just make sure you pick up the right kinds. Now the Pampers, I know Rite Aid is running that. Let me find it in there. Oh, I did forget to mention the Puffs at Rite Aid are included in the bonus cash deal. So after getting that back and everything, I think it would work out to be like 50 cents a box, which isn't bad for Puff. So here we go. The Pampers diapers, they're on that big bonus cash deal. 2 for $20. You get the percentage back in points or whatever. So that breaks it down to like maybe $12. You use the $5 coupon, so it'd be like $7 for 2. If my math's right, I'm not 100%. $7 or $8 for 2 packs of diapers, which is not a bad deal. $5 on Pampers Easy Ups. $2 off of 2 bags or 1 box of Loves. $1 on Pantene. $5 on 3 Pantene. And I know Rite Aid next week, they're running the Pantene 3 for $12. Use that $5 off 3 coupon, so you'll pay $7 and you get back $5 in bonus cash. So it'd be 3 for 2, which is not horrible for Pantene. It really isn't that bad. So, yeah, I'd go for that if you like Pantene. All those deals at Rite Aid and CVS are next week, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. $3 off of 2 Herbal Essence Fire Renew. $3 on 2 Tampax Pearl Radiant or Pure and Clean. 50 cents on Always Ultra or Maxi Pads 11 count or higher. 50 cents on Always Liners. $3 on Sue Always Radiant, Infinity, or Pure and Clean Pads. $2 on Swiffer Refill or Wet Jet. Rite Aid has that on that big bonus cash deal. I'm really looking forward to Rite Aid next week. $3.99, and there is, you get back the points or whatever, so it makes it like $2.50 or so. Use the $2 coupon, so you're looking at like 50 cents or so for the Swiffers, which is a great deal. $2 on Swiffer starter kit. My math might not be 100% exact, but it's in the right path. $1 on Vapo Rub, $1 off of Sinex, $1 on any Vicks product, 50 cents on ZQuil, 50 cents on Pepto-Bismol, $2 on a Line probiotic, $2 on Prilosec. Buy 1 Vicks Dayquil or NyQuil, get 1 Vicks Vapo Cool Drops for free. $1 on those vapor inhaler things from Vicks. Those are nice. $1 on Metamucil. 50 cents on Mr. Clean. And this doesn't have, let me show you on Rite Aid's ad. For some reason, Clip to Say didn't show the Tide coupons, but they're saying we're getting $2 off of Tide Liquid. So sometimes Clip to Say doesn't have those anymore. But yeah,